Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Caldwell, local and long distance movers near me. Even when it's within the same state, a move is considered long if it covers more than 100 miles. An interstate move occurs when you relocate within the same state, but an interstate move happens when you relocate beyond state lines. We relocate belongings interstate, locally, or interstate at 3 Movers. The federal and local officials in charge of the relocation procedure are familiar with us because we care about our clients and their investments. We have put insurance coverage in place. These plans address hazards during and after relocating. Our team of experienced movers and drivers is the most conscientious, and your items will be delivered in the same condition as before the relocation. You won't have to worry about being overcharged because all of our services are reasonably priced. Local relocations are typically less expensive than long-distance relocations, and you can rest assured that ours will be no exception. Our rates are reasonable and cheap, ranging from $30 to $40 an hour. We'll provide you with good value for your money if you hire our licensed and attentive local movers. We're used to working in congested regions, and we'll get you your belongings into your new location as swiftly as possible. Our professional team of local movers will assist you in making the best selections possible when it comes to moving plans. If you need more proof, just ask. You'll find that we have the best reviews from our happy customers. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Caldwell moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.